Rightio, we just had some killer new parts turn up. We're gonna go grab them off the assembly boys, head to the fit bay, get them in the boss's new cruiser. Let's go check these out. Woohoo! Have we got those? Billet 7075. Let's go chuck them in the cruiser and have a little yarn about these bad boys and while we've gone to 7075. Yeah. They're probably wondering why you would remove a steel arm and go to an alley, especially in something like this that's this heavy vehicle. It's going to have a 4.2 ton GVM upgrade, this vehicle. So you're probably thinking having steel in there is going to be the much stronger option. And when it comes to this 7075 T6 aluminium, that's just not the case. This stuff is half the weight whilst maintaining a massive amount of strength. Especially with the way we've designed these arms, and the cross-section sizing of these works out to be bigger than the solid bar steel. So in no way, shape or form do you lose any strength if going to an alloy arm, and not to mention, these things just look straight up killer. Alloy has come a long way in manufacturing, especially with this 7075 T6 aluminium. That is your aircraft grade stuff that is super strong. And with these arms, we have absolutely no worries at all that we're downgrading strength at all from the steel arms. They're just super, super strong, and they are gonna look absolutely killer when we get them in this thing. Something we're doing with our billet alloy arms as well is adding in these stainless steel bash guards or skid plates. For you guys who want to get out there and do some hardcore wheeling and are going to get these beat up on some rocks. The boss man doesn't want these on his cruiser, so I'm just going to go ahead in and just cap all the bolt holes off, just so it obviously doesn't fill up full of dirt and that sort of thing. We'll get that done and we'll get it on the car. Obviously, as I'm putting a steel bolt into an alloy arm, a little bit of that copper anti-seize on there. So something we've done with these alloy arms as well to add a little bit of extra sort of reliability. Something we've done for a little extra reliability in our alloy arms is we've added in a threaded hole that pushes through to your bush. Now it's not for greasing, we're just going to be putting an M5 grub screw in there just to push an extra little bit of tension onto that bush ring, and that stops it's going to sliding in and out. Just something extra we've done to help keep these arms as reliable as possible. Another big benefit of going to like 7075 alloy is its machinability, manufacturing ability. It is so easy to work with, easy to machine. You never have any issues with machining it. Compared to anything if you were to do like a billet steel option, alloy is just so much nicer to work with in those kind of applications. Did have to tap that one in with the hammer purely for the fact that this is a brand spanking new diamond diff, so the powder coat's just really tight in the bolt holes. So that's the only reason tapping that one in with the hammer. Now I need to find a washer I lost. There it is. Loctite. You put a suspension control arm in your vehicle, whether it's new, old, anything, Loctite your bolts. It's a must have. They will fall out. I guarantee it. If you don't Loctite them, they will fall out. I wasn't lying, but that's the best goddamn. Well, I'm gonna say it. That is the best looking control arm that has ever been fitted to a 79 series Land Cruiser ever. Yes, this is a 79 series, but this is not the only vehicle these billet control arms are available for. If it's coil sprung and solid axle, we have a set of these for you. MP300, 200 and 300 series Land Cruisers, your 79 series coil conversions, which they do work as an upgrade. You can just buy the arms themselves. Nissan Patrol in a factory length as well as a long arm. So yes, we will sell you just the arms. If you've got an old beat up set of long arms and you're looking to upgrade to something that looks absolutely killer and that's super strong, we will sell you just the billet arms themselves. And again, 80 and 105 series cruisers as well. You know what to do. Jump over to superiorengineering.com.au because I know every single one of you wants to order a set of these. And that's all you've got to do.